Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about a simple yet powerful strategy that can help you retire early and live life on your own terms. It's called the 4% rule, and it's a game changer when it comes to achieving financial independence. Now, I know the idea of retiring early might seem like a distant dream, especially when you're just starting out in your career. But trust me, with the right mindset and a solid plan, it's absolutely achievable. And that's where the 4% rule comes in. So, what exactly is the 4% rule? Well, it's a guideline used in retirement planning that suggests you can safely withdraw 4% of your investment portfolio each year without running out of money. This means that if you have a well-diversified investment portfolio, you can potentially live off your investments without depleting your savings too quickly. Now, you might be wondering how this rule can help you retire early. Let me break it down for you. Imagine you've been diligently saving and investing a portion of your income over the years. As your investment portfolio grows, the 4% rule allows you to create a sustainable income stream from your investments, giving you the financial freedom to retire earlier than the traditional retirement age. But here's the thing. The 4% rule isn't just about blindly withdrawing 4% each year. It's about carefully planning and managing your investments to ensure long-term financial security. This means understanding the power of compounding, diversifying your portfolio, and staying disciplined with your spending. Now, I get it. The idea of investing and retirement planning can feel overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. But trust me, it's not as complicated as it seems. It's all about taking small, consistent steps towards your financial goals. So, how can you apply the 4% rule to your own life? Here are a few key steps to get you started. First, take a close look at your current expenses and create a budget that aligns with your long-term financial goals. By understanding your spending habits, you can make informed decisions about how much you need to save and invest to achieve financial independence. Next, focus on building a well-diversified investment portfolio. This could include a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets that align with your risk tolerance and investment timeline. Remember, the goal is to create a portfolio that can generate sustainable returns over the long run. Once you have your investment portfolio in place, it's important to stay disciplined with your withdrawals. The 4% rule is designed to provide a steady income stream, but it requires careful monitoring and adjustment based on market conditions and your personal financial situation. And finally, don't forget to stay informed and educated about personal finance and investing. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions and adapt to changing market conditions. Now, I want to share a personal story that illustrates the power of the 4% rule. Imagine a young professional who, like many of us, dreams of achieving financial independence and retiring early. By diligently saving and investing a portion of her income, she was able to build a solid investment portfolio over the years. As she approached her late 30s, she realized that she was on track to achieve her goal of early retirement. By following the principles of the 4% rule and staying disciplined with her investments, she was able to create a sustainable income stream that allowed her to retire at the age of 40. Now, I'm not saying that early retirement is the right choice for everyone. But the idea of having the financial freedom to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms is incredibly empowering. So, whether your goal is to retire early, travel the world, or simply have more flexibility in your career, the 4% rule can be a valuable tool in your financial toolkit. Remember, achieving financial independence is a journey, and it's okay to start small. By taking proactive steps to manage your finances and invest in your future, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. I hope this video has inspired you to think about your own financial goals and the possibilities that lie ahead. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future, and the 4% rule is just one of many strategies that can help you achieve your dreams. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy investing.